This is SafetyQuip's Fire Warden bag, an essential in any workplace. I'm going to open up the bag and have a look at the contents inside. So it's a sturdy duffel bag with a circular zip on the top that's easy to undo. There's a brochure inside with a list of the contents. There's a Hi-Vis vest that's pre-printed with Fire Warden on the back. Now that vest has reflective tape for nighttime use, so lights and emergency service personnel are more likely to pick it up in smoke or dark conditions. It's a zip-fronted vest, and importantly the vest is a cotton vest, 100% cotton, which is less flammable than a traditional polyester Hi-Vis vest, which might be a fire risk. Also inside is a Fire Warden hard hat. Now that's pre-printed with Fire Warden on the front. That's adjustable, so it's one size fits most. There's an intrinsically safe torch. Now, an intrinsically safe torch doesn't provide an ignition source if there's flammable gas in the area. So switching it on won't create an ignition source. There's an evacuation megaphone. Now the megaphone is great for addressing a bunch of people over a wide distance. It's very loud. There's a siren built into the megaphone, so that's great as a backup to your evacuation siren on the site. And there's a pack of batteries for both the torch and the megaphone. That's a SafetyQuip Fire Warden bag. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.